Good morning. Today I am going to deliver a topic on a device which is used for the production of industrial important products with the use or involvement of microorganisms. Microorganisms are produce particular industrial product with the use of microorganisms in specific device or container. This device is nothing but fermenter or bioreactor. Actually, this device consists of various parameters as well as types. So now let me introduce about this fermenter or bioreactor. This bioreactor or fermenter is having first a feeding inlet pump that is good for the entry of medium into the reactor, where we can add or stop the entry of medium. Another system equipped for the outlet or removal of product from the outlet port, that is nothing but effluent. Latter, aeration supplies the oxygen in the medium, and medium with microorganisms. So of course oxygen will be good for the microorganisms. They will use oxygen and will grow to form or convert the desired product. After that, sensors important to know the status of fermenter, whether fermentation process is going well or not. Here thermal sensor, pH sensor, foam sensors are present. Another important part is what? That is, a system is used for the mixing of the medium with the use of agitation. Agitation is connected with an electrical motor with long shaft having small turbines. These are submerged into the medium. So of course motors rotates the turbines, form mixing of the medium. Throughout the medium, microbial cells get oxygen, sparge, submerge, aerated oxygen. Each and every cells supply oxygen and they will fulfill their efficiency. Of course, aerobic cells may always require oxygen for the growth, development and conversion of the product. Of course, this device is highly controlled. We can find out the status of the fermentation by sensors, but further we can control the things if we observe it's a trouble or beyond the our value of line of control. Now here let me give an example. This container or device is insulated or wrapped by a thermal jacket that is good for the control the temperature, where the temperature is controlled or maintained at a desired level to opt to get a particular product, right? So finally, thermal jacket important to regulate the temperature. Of course, pH sensors provides or gives automation to the decrease the pH of the pH or increase the pH of the medium. Foaming also controls by the addition of anti-foaming agent. So this is the highly advanced or perfect model of bioreactor or fermenter to get the idea or desired product through the process of fermentation in industry. Thank you.